My brothers and sisters, friends watching from different parts of the world, today is December 15. This day is not just a date on the calendar. This day carries blood, tears, pain, and memory. Today, December 15, 2025, marked 12 years since innocent Nuer civilians were killed in Juba on December 15, 2013. This live broadcast is a memorial. It is a moment of truth. It is a moment of human reflection. This life is not about hatred. It is not about revenge. It is about remembering innocent life and speaking the truth that history must not erase. Before I continue, I ask everyone watching to please stand where you are or how you hate and observe 1 full minute of silence for the innocent men, women, children, and elders who were killed in 2013. Thank you. What December mean? December 15, what does it mean? December 15, 2013 changed South Sudan forever. That night, Juba stopped being a capital city and became a place of fear. Home became place of death. The street became place of execution. Ethnicity became a death sentence. Nuer civilians were not killed because they fought. They were killed because they belonged to a community. People were dragged from their houses. People were stopped at checkpoint. People were asked questions in their language. If you were Nuer, you did not need to explain anything. Your identity was enough. This is why December 15 is remembered as a dark day, not only for Nuer people, but for South Sudan as a nation. Because when civilians are killed based on identity, the soul of a country is wounded. They look at the door-to-door killing. On that day, armed forces loyal to President Salva Kiir Mayardit moved door-to-door in Juba. They entered Nuer neighborhood. They entered family compound. They entered homes where children were sleeping. There was no warning. There was no mercy. Mothers were killed in front of their children. Fathers were killed while trying to protect their families. Elders were killed despite their age and weakness. Children did not understand why their parents did not wake up. These were not battlefield death. These were civilian execution. No one on earth who witnessed those scenes can forget them. After the killing started, President Salva Kiir Mayardit went on South Sudan national television. He claimed that Dr. Riek Machar attempted a coup. This claim spread quickly, but later the truth came out. The international community, independent investigation, and observer found no evidence of a coup attempt. What was presented as a coup was later understood as a political excuse used to justify targeted ethnic violence. The killing did not follow soldiers, they followed ethnicity. This is an important truth that must be remembered. President Salva Kiir Mayardit also spoke about the 1991 conflict between Dr. Riek Machar and Dr. John Garang Damabur. He said such an event should not be repeated. But instead of protecting civilians, what followed was collective punishment. Ordinary Nuer civilian people who had nothing to do with politics, power, or war were treated as enemies. This was revenge politics, and innocent people pay the price. Revenge does not heal a nation. Revenge only creates endless cycle of pain. The killing in Juba did not end in Juba. Civil war and national laws were introduced. South Sudan entered a brutal civil war. According to the United Nations, more than 400,000 South Sudanese died as a result of the conflict. Millions were displaced. Children grew up in camps. Families were scattered across borders. December 15, 2013 became the spark that burned the nation. This is why remembering this day is not optional. It is a national responsibility. Let's understand the impact on the Nuer community. For the Nuer community, December 15 is not just history. It is a living wound. Many survivors still carry trauma. Many families still do not know where their loved ones were buried during the incident. Many children grew up without parents. The pain did not disappear with time. It became part of life. Remember, December 15 is not about reopening wound. It is about preventing repetition. Silence allows crime to be forgotten. Memory protects future generations. Without truth, peace is fake. Without justice, unity is weak. South Sudan deserves a future where no one killed for who they are. Power does not mean violence. Civilians are protected, not hunted. Ethnic killing must never be normalized. State violence must never be justified. Let us remember, the innocent did not die in vain if their truth is spoken. To the soul of the innocent Nuer civilian killed on December 15, 2013, we remember you, we honor you, we speak your truth. May justice one day rise. May peace one day heal our land. Damari kananya marin kon linkarwa na gwasame kanwa online TV channel nere yandial kashonware mi jira magwich video me ke guje gwadan titin bi ngajenu an walle a shanka waldi ka pai wero ron kina dangru de jandang ru de diech an changa me cha jade cholo chang bang mashallah ne jelora bang ashang michireide chete karim tungwante chilontin ka chete kamer tungwante chalwach pin ashang mimo muram ka sharka rai wika South Sudan kelio nuari amene jodi alen kokien an wale ka shang wa diech ka pai wero ronkin dangro jan dangro de diech ajen ronan wero dien ni me kwan wero kwa kanak rewiki Juba gwade na kan weretin ala nur civilian akume kirma yadit ka shanga wel diech kana shang wel bakal awoga shang wel badak ka pai wero ronkin dangro de wel jok en video me ki live video lat kona me nyu da kon taye dane shikur che to ka je ki taye dane nakanwari ka je rewi ka Juba wazi dane shikur che to kam Dr. Machar kene kirma yadit ka cho kirma yadit cho jona no ba we ne ka live broadcast rewi ka Juba kala da je no kore me chebichet ke 1991 Milin kon magwas me roi kon ka tai dana china shikari har kaje ke shikaliu kaje agwan banaro dan lar thok agwan me bana me dana chituok karunte kon baro dan remind ke bana ka nyoko milin kon ka ka kan video let kon ka ti tiling yen ka tine chi nyiran ka dor dan na kon ka shiwo den na den ka nek bane Jerman gwe kaje ne tik ngwana longo no men wari shar kan shangan walo no shang mishagan na kaje dongor kano bikanat bikan kanak but remember jen a memory ke remembering kan ediale konte shiliu kan wari anak lora bangre wiki Juba gwan mana kare dwele ken ana me shiu ba na ba ka nyok mi shol kake ba do binar en tejen no a chiro da nyok kam le da ro ki a chi to ga nyok re weji mi atel me le ro da nyok ene dial aka parke ke ene dial aka shianga lor atelia mi be kake reminding ko let it not be repeated ki a cha nyok ka chab nyok aran ran ana barara dien be yede be jabat yene diala kondi lenka rwane titi akan kono wo wonyam moyrodu ke minute kel ke sekani biye diale kono shebat bi kono no deri katim bana kula lunjok gwasa me baro dan lar tok me dan me chikor me tok ka chang wal de ka pai wero ron kin dangro jan dangro ron kin dangro wal diok je South Sudan keliu chaja ger forever were nakan were ka je rewich ka Juba capital city dun South Sudan jo dwal me di choje no ngolong chu dor chu kan goten kono nakanaten nakan wereten yan gwada dana ngot kan wereten chunawo ko ba nwere ba ka target rewi ki Juba me jinwar ba je dilbat kan were ko ne na ka shaka ne lora bang shaka ne ko ken ekanate te la dine shaka ne ke deidien ken kwa ka target ko ken kan were here they belong to Nuer community jen dobe dana nakaka kan ka target ko ken ke dine chike dine dulte wanka ne te ngotke ne de jogo no labaring da manakun ke manakun chama barana ba jogo no jamringa me mat kana karim wanka na dwele no lara la ja kap ke bom no ba torch karan wate ka wade so na mo ke li a plan mishala da kira Chana chaka kamrare dwele. Chana chaka kap. Gwat checkpoint gwada kon la torbiela kan wi Longton. Mi ay jige Nuer chaka roy ka tungnat. Ba jinak. Mi ay jogo no male ka chieloj. Tan ro den balat keje. Jeno baji lelde ba jinak. Ajen mi jang ne dial ko bi kan changa waldi ka pai wara bi kan remember ke bi kan team an ojen a chang min la dakas day ray win wara ke li wimon kashi wara ka roda ba but wona ka South Sudan as a nation ano liya chin walu ka je ajen mi jag wi ko ba dak ne de cha na ka cha lu ke pin ajen mi jag South Sudan ko ba te correction man wale a se roda biling ko ramedane nak civiliane kana kon kep kana kon te kana kon nang lwelok changa waldi ka pai wero ron kina dangro wel diok jen chenge nakanwari based on their identity rewika South Sudan keliu chaka gorduli erami momilan wer badil gorono bajenek jen mi jak changa mako ba very important kane dial wi mona no badi remember anu na me emishora lat kajen changa mo ci president Salva Kiir Mayardit chaodor cheje top cheje kam de neka de ne jane ne de inte kontela loyal ka president Salva Kiir Mayardit yogo jogo no yen we are goren ware lat ke system chitke mo wa kam no match but ci jan lode they move door to door in Juba looking for Nuer you can Nuer you can gore tiniken you can ka yorar kana kanka chicken deer ka gat chicken deer ka ramdi chicken deer ka man era mi chagin wood che talk bajinak on the spot mejin gar motot ke ngat bai chenga jek amen mi yo chimi jek mi kana chelat ba jogono lena me bajipal cheng de jek de ti ka cheng de chalat ka chen changa me changa wal die kan chang wakal chang baro chang badda ka we eno na me a chang je salwach mila remembering ka ye dial te kono je tesnien rei wike Juba teram chapel chengedan gatun wan ketin queen kan quick do badan nakana ko quick story behind this and okay 1991 chukume dakre ma charke ne kum John Gere ma biyor shiga te kayro al matot mi shiga te kayro al matot chu korchu tuok chala da jangno ichi Nuer shiga nana ka ke de ni nyenyo na me jen me te kayri benye kule tuok re wiki Juba me chena ro ke Kiir Mayardit den kume me chero ke Kiir Mayardit te mi ried mi Kiir Mayardit lat Kiir jenena na president Salva Kiir Mayardit gwa mi chero tin ka South Sudan National Television yala de wonena ki dakran ma char che komme che de tekan ajana cha kom de cha de kan adakran ma char cha ku cha ja temere ma char me chi jo mo che werare cha tar cha on kum lo ka cha je no e ka che tok an wo Kiir Mayardit leden je ka tay dan ci roy ke je ka South Sudan National Television no chimishet ke 1991 ci rodo bari picha gu jeno telere ma char mi ci ku chelat ba the systematic way ko bon wer be kan nakano barode jaka Ramadan la gwan chungne so telekum shalat ko ko kore me chala da ponde Kiir chu nawre dole naka ke mana gar tiene der kule la kude chu na ko kwatar ganen wore yanta dan Kiir ge dan ci tuok so na me a moment of truth ko be kontok ban jela rodan anu na me roda chenyok President Salva Kiir Mayardit as a reminder ka kon me roje ke 1991 lari ge dan ci to kam dar ma char ke na John Gere ma biur yani ci roda buluj enona ko dong dar civilian dar gang ne ka yo gorje no be ka punish the gorge no ben wer baga target baga nak milar jeno 1991 road che repeat we mean that there no citizen ke civilian ka kwapo taka ka ganka but chi jenda na chala da Kiir Mayardit chi ordinary Nuer civilian ne ritele menangatin ka tere kana da kuma char ke power struggle and ana te ka ke ko re ma char jen bro de chung ka loke me yadi da ka dwala ko don de Dr. Machar der kom der je kan chuano no baga naga mene dial kona jikwara na me of course a revenge politic tineti telme nangatin chako nak jen do brana kwa Dr. Machar kwa target ke je kan Nuer kel ko gui kirano len revenge attack shima o don len mlatok so mo right kon ke mission na me civil war to ga dere we ka South Sudan kan national laws ta dan jina liu ke je ko ko dan ci to kine wan chega nak you know so me na liu re ku Juba more than 20,000 or 40,000 Nuer shi ga liu te cha nak door to door killing kind of talk within Juba just spread across the country we South Sudan kelio you know to South Sudan chu we ka brutal civil war ajanu courtin kam Nuer kana jang chwa sholina kataya dan ci United Nations ci report no gaje akene more than 400,000 South Sudanese sikaliu ka 5 years conflict ka within on 15 May ka 16 17 18 waka end of December jala no more than 40,000 tlan Nuer shaga na rewi ka Juba alone kore me 1 million of people chuga displaced tara gad mitere which we dia we gen yo camp. So remember this December 15 2013 jen cheng e wang ke we South Sudan ko be je chu mena wale ka tay dana chana cha ga luke je chu men ta ma cha mal cha je ko ngai kon dial madan le roda mi cha tok cha je le de ngum la to no men ko bo la ma la ja wo ja kay ne dial te kon te chi kanare ko mo chicken mission me chicken de forget no ko tele tuang ma chalat kuma kirma yadit Nuer community me dane shanak kara me dane naka kana kon nangwalok can all the survivor ngur taken ka trauma antama yeje widian how they survive that so netin one taken any ba justice ba jala ka place okay ba Ramadan le mission road la kir ba je tejene but taramishi gorno daram dar jalat many can ji international community melet kana kan ben rar abikan blada no bakir baja kap kata dan ko che to goja so rammo michire kila la ja kapka so man we remember jane remembering December 15 ano cha lebno bu korba to cha goro bu Nuer bu na cha goro bu Nuer bu kare ben bu kana lat no oh cha goro no te kare gradien men bu to go nyok it is about preventing a repetition so janta dandaten chalem neriak mibina you know chaja wan chana mo chaja palkru gwaran cho apil rana gono birek bajela jem la gorin je no by remember by la case story ko run chero be repeat again so dwer mi chala ramo ba jogono jinti dwer me chelat but chaja be repeat so all this memory they protect future generation ko chicken the same mistake can be made so mitela talk ken maldi ala kon tai ka kainya mitela milat kala de lawo ba ngaje no riga ci to gane en point de marlat ke mat bala wiki betalot so mat mi cha to ka jalele temen te ko mi South Sudan ke jen gwasame me kan mat kana konung kana kon admit no me dane liuna ka je kwina me keje no tele talk me beben mat beben gwada dana cha ja admit ke no shadwo mi je je use ko chen wer shaka na ke 2013 ka chwe bi chaka no ti ke ku ateme chala Dr. Machar so South Sudan gor jeno dar tere malka South Sudan deserve a future where no one is killed for who they are gwad Machar ande na ko jin Nuer jin jang jin tat jin Equatoria mi chai mo kalwang chenyon jeno bi corrupt chenyon jeno bi violent bi jelat bi power rant ke bi use against innocent people kane ko la jiwi de gang naka anyogo no baran ba ji target aram mo based on dur dan titin na mbo kelgatin ko ne yar kamal rewine so ne me da la madana le rode en walle ka shanka walde ka pai wero ronkin dangro jan dangro de diech kerektin ko ne sharen lat ka gwase dan ronkin dangro wi de wal diok chang wal die chang wal bakel chang wal barro chang wal badak waka pek pai wero akan ne chup karon kin dangro wal ngwan fa pem di twa na gre wi ka South Sudan te lan Nuer kan dial So it was a direct genocide which I commit a self-care mayadit. And a banajik karwaj mudadian. Nyaka kanedi kokien. Yatemal.